Hey guys, I just finished installing the 10 BA9S, those small bulbs that replace this bayonet BA9 millimeter base with S single contact. I just replaced 10 of them that I got in a pack for like $8, and wanted to show you where I put them. You're gonna need more than that if you want to do the whole dash, so I'll have to probably get some more. I'll turn on the parking lights there. I got the entire dash cluster lit up. I think it looks really nice and clean white light. Obviously I didn't it's a stark contrast there. Full dash is illuminated. I got the I think I got the, maybe I didn't. I think I did get these, that was not working. Maybe it's, polarity, or, oh, it's probably, I didn't ground it well enough. But I'm going to need more. I need one for the, I'll turn on the light here. I need one for the light switch, one for the shift selector, need one for the climate control fan blower knob. It looks like I need one for each one of these. 1, 2. I got the one installed in the clock. There you go. My phone isn't so awesome at picking up the illumination of the clock, and I got that one in the glove box, which obviously throws out the most light of all of these because it's out in the open. I haven't checked to see the parking brake. Haven't checked to see what kind of bulb that is, but it probably says on this sheet here. I gotta get a copy of this. So let's see. Parking brake warning signal. These bulb numbers are old. 8, 8, 9. 8, 9, which is different than all the dash cluster bulbs. I don't know, it might have the same base. I'd have to pull it out to check. But since I'm filming with one hand, I'm not gonna do that right now. So, but yeah, if you want to do this, it looks really good. Very nice. You'll need several bulbs. You'll need how many was that? I believe it was 1, 2, 8 in the dash cluster alone. Plus 1, 2, 3. Looks like 5 more at least. So you probably needed 15 or so. But yeah, awesome.